Blossoms 3 Workbook Unit 2 The Recipe Book Worksheet 2.3 2.4 Page number 25-26. Read the 7th to 11th paragraph on page number 15. Identify the 5-letter words and write them in the space given below. Slice, ready. Stove, ready, hello. Match the following with the same word. One is done for you. Stove, stove. Knife, knife. Recipe book, recipe book. Friends, friends. Dinner, dinner. Dishes, dishes. Write the meaningful sentences from the following table. One is done for you. Let's begin cooking. Let's begin reading. Let's begin writing. Let's begin playing. Let's begin eating. Let's begin jumping. Read the 12th to 14th paragraph on page number 15. Identify the 5-letter words and write them in the space given below. Example: after, hours, party. Ready, mixer, knife. Supply the missing letters to complete the words. Kitchen, kitchen. Write 5 meaningful sentences from the following table. One is done for you. He looked at the recipe book. He looked at the board. He looked at the bus. He looked at the bicycle. He looked at the sky.